YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be about green tag inserts for Coach bags. I have 3 new inserts to show you, one for the Coach Tali bag, one for the Coach Tyler 28, and then finally one for the Coach Studio bag. So make sure you stay tuned for that, but first I want to show you my bag of the day. My bag of the day today is my Saint Laurent Loulou Puffer bag in the size small in the color dark honey or meal. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I probably should have looked that up, but it means honey in both French and in Spanish too. So this is my dark honey small Loulou Puffer, and look how awesome it matches my shirt. I did plan that, but I was going around my closet trying to find a contrast thing to wear, but nothing was cozy. And so I decided to just go with the whole monochromatic look, and I think I'm digging it. Anyway, I haven't showed you inside this bag. I was so excited and the video got so long when I was unboxing it. Let me just show you how everything is in there. There is a zipper pocket on this side that's quite long, and I put all of my papers in there. And then I have all of the usual things in the bag, except for I added this pouch to reduce what was inside of my other pouch, so everything would just lay a little better. So I have everything in there the same as I did in all my other bags, but I just added one more container to kind of keep things contained. Yeah. So anyway, I guess I could show you everything in here, but it's so boring whenever I always carry the same things and you see those things repeatedly. But look how gorgeous this natural colored wallet card case from YSL looks with the dark honey, as well as my Damier Ebene key clay from Louis Vuitton. Those are going to be so fun to pull out when I'm carrying this bag, and nothing besides those is super interesting inside the bag. So let me put her down. I'm actually considering getting another one because it is so luscious, and so I'm contemplating what color. So hopefully I can restrain myself, but I don't know. We'll see. So the first bag I want to talk about today is my Coach Studio bag, and I don't carry it with this handle, but I thought it would be really nice to put it on so that I could easily show it to you. And I may just whip it off when I get my Tali bag out because it matches that bag too. This is one of the resin straps. They do a really nice job with their resin straps at Coach, and I like how they attach on here. If you buy the ones off Etsy, they just usually attach them with a circular ring on the last link, but you see how that resin piece is actually going through the hardware on the Coach clip. I think that that makes it so much nicer. And so, not to say you can't find good things on Etsy, but in this case, I do prefer the Coach option. And so let's get into the bag. There may be a little bit of stuffing in here. Nope, there's not. So this is a fully leather lined bag, the whole thing. There's no fabric anywhere. I've showed it to you before when I did the unboxing. Green Tag Inserts was so kind, and they sent me some inserts for it. The color they chose for me was black, and so I'm going to go ahead and stick these in. But first, let me show you. There's one long pocket on this side, and there's 2 pockets on this side. And then in the front, it's just a slip pocket. So the front one is purely just to protect your bag from things that might scratch it, like my new Saint Laurent card holder that has the emblem that sticks up. If you want to protect the glove tan leather inside your bag, that is just perfection in terms of fit. Look how good that fits. She does such a nice job. And by the way, Green Tag Inserts is a company in the United States. They source their felt from the United States. They make all the stuff on their own. There's no outsourcing to China or anywhere else. It's all made in the USA. And if you buy from them and you're abroad, you can buy on Etsy. And I have a discount code. I'll pop it here. If you're on Etsy, they do ship abroad. And if you're here in the United States, I recommend going to their website. Their website is new and you can get a bigger discount plus free shipping. And I'll pop my discount code in here for their website. But of course, you can find all of that information in my description box. That is the very best place to go to find information about the products I show you. Links will be there. And it's just full of information. So if you haven't been digging around in my box, as Winnie would say, you need to go start digging. To be completely transparent, if you use my Etsy link or if you use my discount code when you check out on their website, I do get a percentage of the sale, but I am not being paid to do this video. So it's not a sponsored video. Just want to get that out there. So when I started working with green tag inserts, there really weren't very many good options for Coach. And since we have been sort of collaborating, they have went out and bought so many Coach bags and made inserts custom for them. So these aren't inserts that just will pretty much fit. These are inserts that are custom made for Coach bags. And I just tried something new where I actually mailed them my Tyler 28 so that they could make a custom insert for this bag. So for all of you out there who bought this bag based on my recommendation or just found it on your own, now there are custom inserts for the Tyler 28 and they fit awesome. So on this insert, there is one long pocket, and on this insert, there are two smaller pockets on this side. And you can see here, it still allows access to the slip pocket there. And on this side, there's not a slip pocket. But what's really nice is how she brings the insert up to just under those tabs. So they pretty much hold it in place. I think they'll secure it even more in place once there's a few items in there to spread the insert out just a bit. One thing about the Tyler 28 that isn't fabulous is that you get some dents or, protrusions if you put bulky items in the side pockets. And I really think these inserts are going to help to prevent that to some extent. And so I'm super excited to have some custom organizers to fit my Tyler 28. I had went out prior to meeting and working with green tag inserts to find some inserts that fit my Tyler 28. And some of you may have bought these. This is what I was working with before. These are for the Toiletry 26, and I bought them off Amazon, and they're not bad. They really aren't. But you look at that, and you look at that, and which one would you rather have? Would you rather have the one that goes all the way to the ends and uses all the space? Or would you rather have this one that just sort of fits? I mean, they both function, don't get me wrong, but I would really rather have the one that was custom made. And I don't think you're going to find the price to be all that different. So the third and final bag I'm going to show you is my Coach Tali bag. And it is in the color Papaya. I did sell my red-orange Tali bag to green tag inserts because I kind of felt like I didn't need two Tali bags in the orange family, and I like this one slightly more since I have the camera bag and I can use the straps interchangeably between this one and the camera bag. I like to use the smooth leather strap that came with this one with my pebbled leather camera bag. I just think it looks really good. So whatever, I don't know why I'm talking about that. I just like to talk, I guess, when I'm talking with you. I mean, why not? You're here, I'm here, let's just have a conversation, right? So let's check this out. I think this is in the color Rustic, if I remember right. And oh my goodness, guys, that is perfection. Check that out. Wow. So we've got one bigger pocket on this side, and then we have two smaller pockets on that side. This is using all the space in the bag. And again, it's going to prevent things from showing on the outside of the bag. Now before, I had found this insert, and this is from SUNY Bag & Bag, designed for the Empreinte Neo Alma BB by Louis Vuitton. And like I said, I mean, the color match is great, but it's not bad. But you see this space here isn't covered. And you can also see just the way it goes on the end isn't quite as nice. You've got some spaces that aren't filled. With the green tag insert, all the spaces are filled. I mean, the skill that they have in sewing these inserts is just simply incredible. It's so good. So I'm happy to say that I would recommend all 3 of these insert options, and I will link the Etsy links down in my description box, and I will put a discount code for Etsy down there. But if you're not abroad, if you're in the United States, I really recommend you go to their website, because my discount code is for 12% off instead of 10% off, and you get free shipping. So that adds up, and that'll help you get a slightly better deal. And for those of you abroad, it's still a great deal. So if you like videos like this, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it, and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me on Instagram, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.